In a world.
Introducing the most sleepy dog in the world, wondering what's happening.
No, dude, let me.
Wait, Alex, zoom in to its nose.
In a world where dogs were once hyper, then there came this dog. Dun dun dun. The world's laziest but lovable dog. And also the one that's, I guess, one of the fattest dogs. Lazy dog. It's the lazy.
Eat your pillow.
Huh?
Eat your pillow.
The lazy dog. Lazy dog. Lazy ugly
away.
dog.
She's
Lazy
licking
dog.
herself. It's so dangerous.
Dead. And so lazy.
She's not doing anything.
It's a pair of lazy dog.
With a bumblebee.
No, lazy dog.
With a bumblebee.
With lazy dad. Dun dun dun. And those things. Those. Well, Noah and I.
Dun 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 dun.
And my brother and my other friend are the hypogenetic ones. Those two are lazy. 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 Lazy.
Dun dun dun.
Areas.
Alex, let me see.
Lazy.
Dun 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 dun.
Not the lazy butt of justice. And I guess all we have to say here is don't forget to like and subscribe. And goodbye. I mean, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.